Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial on my channel. Today, we're tackling how to redeem Mobile Legends codes in 2025. If you're a fan of Mobile Legends, bang bang, you know how valuable those redeem codes can be. They unlock free diamonds, skins, heroes, and more. It's like getting a surprise gift in your favorite game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this step-by-step guide will have you redeeming codes in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Mobile Legends app installed on your device. Outdated apps can cause issues, so update if needed. Once you're good to go, open the app and log into your account. Now, head over to your profile icon, usually in the top left corner, and tap on it to access your account settings. From there, look for the redemption code or exchange option. It's often under a section like Basic or Account. If you can't find it, don't worry, it's sometimes in the in-game mail or a separate menu. Next, enter the code carefully. These codes are case-sensitive, so double-check for uppercase letters or numbers. After typing it in, hit the Redeem or Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation message if it works, and your rewards will be added to your account. Check your in-game mail or inventory to claim them. One quick tip. If the code doesn't work, it might be expired or region restricted, so try a different one or check official Mobile Legends social media for valid codes in 2025. That's all there is to it. Redeeming codes is a simple way to enhance your gameplay without spending real money. If you follow these steps, you'll be enjoying your freebies in minutes. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more gaming tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep playing and stay legendary.